So what's up guys, welcome to my second video about breakdown about my trades. So now coming straight to the point, as in the previous video I talked about how this buy limit I placed based on this H4 auto block you can see here. So my bias was already bullish on gold, and now let's go to a daily time frame. And obviously before this drop I was like super bullish on it, and there was this FVG you can see in the previous video. Well, you can check my previous video about how I analyzed that trade and why I took it based on that FVGO, etc. So, well, this trade was a loss, so it didn't work out as expected. So, talking about this red zone above, well, those who took gold shots today might have taken based on that on the supported break. Gold, as always, it really respects its technicals better than other pairs, at least in my experience. So, I was way too much focused about my bullish bias, so that's why I had ignored it. So, anyways, I believe every loss is a lesson learned in itself. So moving on to the trade I just executed today. Today I had gotten a buy position around the 4520 level. Based on this, you can see so nicely that as a resistance which has been turned to support. Well, let me go to the higher time frame from where I identified it. So yes, so this level was way too obvious on the weekly time frame. If you have experience looking at gold, you can see you may know that gold very well respects its closing prices in comparison to wicks, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So this was the line on the weekly time frame. See on the line chart, it was the closing line. I had put this horizontal ray on the closing to make this line obvious to me. And now when it reached this line, I already had my buy limit in place. So I believe when this trade got executed, it was the start of New York session. Yes, yes. Let me check. Yes, it was literally on US Open. My buy limit got executed, and this was, I would say, it was a very easy win here. Well, a very easy win, and got a nice one to two risk reward on this one. And as they say, best trades don't even require much effort. So you just have to put your stop loss and take profit in place, and the price does all the work for you. So having a 1 to 2 risk reward is, at least it works better for me. My previous two losses, it was easily recovered from this trade alone. So wait, I'm not even done. So after closing this, there was again an opportunity for re-entrance, and I believe it was this 4580 level. It was an easy retest, breakout and retest based on this M5 candle. So I had again placed a limit on 4580 level, and it got executed. So this is my current trade, which I'm currently in, and I'm looking to hold this towards the 4700 or 4800. Yes. The H4 candle also seems pretty nice, a very good pattern for reversal. If anybody who had their time studying candlesticks, this type of candle is a good indication of reversal. And plus, it's at a major level, and so I can believe it can go towards the 47 or 4800. Or at least this is what my chart says. If you look at the daily chart, gold is kind of, you can expect that it might consolidate between this triangle. See, let me draw this line. So I'm expecting at least a consolidation for this week. This, we only have one day left in this week, in the upcoming week. So currently it's at this extreme of this triangle, and well, I can expect at least it can go to till 400 or 4700 or 4800, and I may look to close anywhere between these prices.